Seeing my solution implemented and seeing it work just gives me the biggest feeling of satisfaction you can have. I'm Peter Garnash, and I'm a mechanical engineer at Hexbug. The first time I was introduced to robotics was probably in 6th or 7th grade. One Christmas, I got a brand new robotics kit. And the rest of that whole break before I had to go back to school, I spent most of my time building robots. I programmed them, and I kind of just fell in love with what I was doing with that kit. And then throughout the next year, I spent time looking at other designs that people had made. I designed my own robots, my own complex mechanical systems, and it kind of was just a slippery slope after that, and I just fell in love with working on those kinds of robots. I really just liked the fact that there were no limitations to what you could do. If you could think about it in your head, you could probably figure out a way to make it in reality. One of the really fun things for me is the challenge of coming up with an idea of a mechanical system or a robot that does something, and then trying to optimize it and make it as small and as reliable as possible. I don't think I could describe a single moment where I knew engineering was going to be my career path. I had people tell me that I'd make a good engineer, and I knew that I loved the robotics teams that I was on. At one point, I was on 3 different robotics teams while mentoring another one. And so engineering kind of was the next step. So I work at Hexbug, which is a toy company. So my job basically consists of 2 different things. One, I get to create new toys and play with them to make sure they're fun. And 2, I get to take those toy concepts that we've created and make sure that they're able to be manufactured at a scale that we can distribute them around America and around the world to all of you guys. I think engineering jobs are really important in today's workforce because they're really just problem-solving jobs. An engineering mindset is the best way to solve any type of a problem. So even if you are a mechanical engineer and the company you're working for doesn't do anything mechanical, engineering mindsets and the mindset of a mechanical engineer can be invaluable to solve problems. The advice that I'd give to kids trying to start a career in engineering is really more advice to the parents. Find a robotics team that you can get your kids on, encourage them to learn more about STEM, find ways for them to get experience. And for the kids, start somewhere. Buy a robotics kit, play with it. The best way to learn these fundamental principles is through trial and error, just playing with toys. I mean, that's what I did on my entire childhood and through schooling. I just had fun, and the stuff that I liked doing was robots. An engineering degree is a degree in problem solving. An engineering position is a problem solving position. Engineers solve the world's problems. Or we build toys. I'm Peter Garnash, and I'm happy to celebrate Engineering Week with you.